Hi again, guys, from sunny Halifax, 30 degrees, beautiful weather today, and of course a great day for a run. One of my favorite things to do in Halifax is running. We have the most amazing trails all around Halifax, and what I'm going to do is showcase some of these trails. One of my favorite running trails, but often overlooked little trail. So this trail up to the Sackville connector is actually just 2.5 kilometers. I enjoy running this sometimes when I'm doing showings this side. There's a trailhead. We have a wonderful gentleman walking past. Can you tell me how you enjoy the trail? Do you enjoy them every day?
No.
Oh, you don't enjoy them?
Well, I enjoy them, but I don't walk the trail every day.
Oh, you don't walk them every day?
The first time this year walking the trail.
I'm filming to show my friends. Is that okay?
Yeah.
My name's Philip. Nice to meet you. So there we have a lovely resident enjoying the trails. He says he normally does one on the other side. Now, I'm not quite familiar with that one, but what I might do is go explore that next time. Today's chapter though, I'm just exploring this 2.5 kilometer one-way trail. So you can decide what you want to do. If you only want to do 2.5 kilometers and you don't want to cover the same ground, maybe get a mate, park a car on the other side, or you can do it there and back, and that way you do 5 kilometers. So that's what we're doing today, guys. Today I started from the Sackville side. I'm currently halfway through my run. This is the Bedford side. I'll just quickly flip this around so you guys can see exactly where I am. This is the parking lot. We have a fantastic river right here by the bridge. And not seeing the ducks today, but that's definitely something to come back for. So guys, I'm going to finish up my run. If there's anything left of me at the end, I'll catch up to you. The trail has many amazing bridges crisscrossing the Sackville River. So on the trail, you'll kind of go over one, you'll go down the trail a bit, you'll cross another one, go down the trail a bit, cross another one. So it's fantastic for kids, families, a little bit of the outdoors, and just it's marvelous being surrounded by water. And guys, I just want to show you something. Right over there, that is the Sackville connector, the main sort of highway flyovers between Sackville and Bedford. Right there, guys. So this trail, it's in the middle of the city. It's got the flyover bridges. This is where the Sackville highway connectors are, which gets you to Bedford and onto the main highways. So if anyone recalls, a while back we had that flooding. This is the area which was covered by floods. But, point of note, many of the houses along the Sackville River actually did not flood. And I know exactly which ones those are. So guys, if you want to be strategically placed midway between Bedford and Sackville with this beautiful trail to enjoy, I know a few excellent properties in the area. A lot of folk are not looking at these because they are afraid of the floods. If these properties didn't flood during those big floods, I don't think they're ever going to flood. So guys, hit me up. We will look at some options together. and maybe see if we can find you something below market value. So the trail takes you right past the ball field. That's the trail right there. So you can do a few laps around the ball field if you want to get some extra distance in on the trail. But for right now, I'm doing my 5K, so I'm hopping back on the trail. So you've got all these awesome little spots. That's the trail just over there. It comes down here, and you have a little access to the river. So if you want your pooch to jump in here and splash about, this is a great spot for it. There's actually an unknown tunnel, or maybe known to some who use the trail, with subway art. So I often love coming through here and just admiring some of what whoever these good people were did on the walls here. Let's take a look on the other side. I'm wondering if the subway art is meant to represent the Sackville River, possibly the road or the highway, and then of course all the houses that you see in Sackville. We have a bird of some kind, a blue jay maybe, not too sure, and of course a cow. So that's my run done for today, guys. What an amazing enjoyment of fresh air. Lots of folk out on the trails today. This is the Bedford Sackville connector trail. You wouldn't know it was here unless you were looking for it. If you guys are having trouble finding it, reach out to me. I'd love to show you where this trail is. And of course, if you're looking to buy in the area, we could certainly look at some properties in the area. So bye for now, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.